Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Our today's topic is India's Act East policy. Today's quotation is your attitude determines your direction. Our one-liner questions are Act East policy announced 2014 at which Asian summit held in which country? Majority religion in Myanmar is military coup in which country? India developed which port to connect Haldia with Rakhine state of Myanmar? Aung San Suu Kyi is awarded by Nobel Prize in which year? India handed over which submarine to Myanmar? There are 4 states which shared international boundary with Myanmar. 2 are Manipur and Mizoram. Rest 2 you have to tell me. Our question is Myanmar is the cornerstone in India's Act East policy. We have to comment on it. Firstly, provide introduction. In introduction, what would we say? India's Act East policy is a diplomatic initiative to promote economic strategies 4 C's, which is culture, commerce, connectivity and capability building and security relations with the vast Asia Pacific region at different levels. India Look East policy announced in 1991 by former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao turned into Act East policy in 2014 by current Prime Minister P.M. Narendra Modi at 12th Asian Summit held in Myanmar. Myanmar is cornerstone because we have to tell so many things. Myanmar is only member of ASEAN that has both land and maritime boundaries with India. It was also called Gateway of East. Between India and Myanmar, people have same ethnicity and religion. Like Buddhism is a majority religion in Myanmar. Myanmar helped for the security and development of India's northeast as a buffer state. Both have collective memory of interactions and exchanges like philosophical, spiritual, cultural, commercial. Myanmar is also a market, attractive market and economic partner of India. In order to counter Chinese assertiveness in Indian Ocean, Myanmar can play a role. Myanmar is only country including in neighborhood first policy and also in Act East policy. There are so many challenges in our Act East policy. What we have to discuss them? Trade deficit. Huge trade deficit between India and ASEAN countries. China is encircling India, building China-Pakistan economic corridor in Indian territory, disputed territory. Through our territory, popularly known as string of pearls. Balance between China and Quad countries is very hard for us. Military coup in Myanmar. Chinese aggressiveness in South China Sea. China claim whole South China Sea. Beijing. We use Beijing. Beijing is a capital of China. If we talk in diplomatic manner, we have to give the capital's name. If we talk in the context of India, we can say Delhi. Now we are discussing about China. So then we say Beijing. Beijing ability to show division within ASEAN is likely to complicate relations between India and ASEAN countries like Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam are in Chinese influence pressure because they are very poor countries. China easily pressure them. India's stand. We have to also discuss about the India's stand. India provide vaccine, test kits and medicines to Myanmar and other ASEAN countries. India-ASEAN connectivity project like Kaladan, multimodal project and Sitwe port in that. India follow the policy of non-interference in other state internal affairs. India engaged on Myanmar issue in UNSC as a non-permanent member. There are 5 permanent members. Which are the 5 permanent members? UK, USA, France, Russia, China. Way forward. We have to give India can engage with UNSC for rebuilding democracy in peacekeeping forces. Use peacekeeping forces rather than imposing some sanctions on that. Through engagement with domestic stakeholders, reduce the gap between them. Try to reduce Chinese influence and pressure in Myanmar. Focus on faster completion of projects in this region to look as an alternative of China. Our track record in implementing and making projects is very low. We have to change we have to make some reforms in our policies. Develop Northeast region for the success of Act East policy. Try to leverage India's soft power because our technical infusion and globalization of our cultural power is expanded now. Increase people to people relations, and India must increase engagement in South China Sea. Our conclusion would be India is largest democracy of world. It is likely for India to feel concerned when democracy is in country threatened. But the country must follow its policy of non-interference in other countries' internal affairs. But India is now permanent member. But India is non-permanent member of UNSC, so he can help externally to protect Myanmar from sanctions and prevent one more country in Chinese hands. We can see in past that Russia and Iran is in Chinese hands because of sanctions. Our answers of one-liner questions are Act East policy announced in 2014 at the 12th summit of ASEAN in Myanmar. Majority religion in Myanmar is Buddhist. Military coup held in Myanmar. India developed Sitwe port to connect Haldia, West Bengal, India, to Rakhine State, Myanmar. Aung San Suu Kyi is awarded by Nobel Prize in 1991. India handed over INS Sindhuveer submarine to Myanmar. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram share international boundary with Myanmar. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve.